Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 June 2018, 13 of hour, 09 of minute and 50 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what height should a light switch be at? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what height should a light switch be at. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what height should a light switch be at. Light switch positioning: all switches positioned at 42 to the center of the electrical box from the finished floor. The light switch height standard of 48 inches came from over 100 years ago at the turn of the century, when electricity was first being introduced into housing. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself, so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.